What's up guys, it's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Echo Show. So first things first, you wanna make sure that it has power. And then once you see that it has power, you're gonna go ahead and scroll down on the top. And when you scroll down on the top, it's gonna populate a couple of signals there, and you're gonna go ahead and click that settings tab. So go ahead and click that. Now when you hit the settings tab, you'll have a nice long menu that'll populate up. You're gonna scroll all the way down until you see device options. So you'll see it right there, device options. That's what you'll click. And then once you click into that, you're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom. So on the very bottom, you'll see, or second to last, it'll say reset to factory defaults. So you'll go ahead and click that. And then from here, it'll go ahead and let you know, hey, this is how you're gonna reset it, and you go ahead and click the reset button, and from there it would factory reset. Now, some reasons of why you would factory reset: if you're seeing a lot of issues with your account, sure, you can go ahead and reset. If this is a gift and it's associated with someone else's account, you'll probably want to factory reset so you can put in your new Amazon information. But this is gonna get it all the way to or from scratch, like it's starting new. So that's when you would factory reset. If you have any questions, let me know. But just to talk through it again, you're gonna scroll down until you see the settings tab. And then once you see the settings tabs, you're gonna go to device options. And then after device options on the very bottom, it's factory reset. So if you guys have any questions or need some help, just let me know. And thanks for watching the Smart Home Helper. See you guys.